This is a box, and inside is a pigment and a note. Welcome to episode 4 of You Send, We Spray, where you guys send us pigments that you think might look really cool on a whole car, and we test it full scale. Today's pigment was sent in by Larry. Let me share his note. Fonzie, this is Mermaid Dust. I think it will be awesome. Please don't use it over a white base. Something dark should make it come alive. I hope it works out. Larry. And inside we've got 2 jars, exactly the same. Okay, and we've got Mermaid Dust, which looks to be a pretty wild bluish to greenish to maybe purplish shifting pearl. Each jar is, wow, 50 grams. So I'm gonna put one of them right over here. Now Larry requested that we don't do it over a white base. He wants to see it over something dark, which totally makes sense to me. So what we did is we had the Evo and we put on, wow, the brand new Performance Series color, Delta Force Green. Super dark, super aggressive green, which should work beautifully with Mermaid Dust, which I think is a very appropriate name. Now, we don't want to just completely cover the Delta Force Green with Mermaid Dust. We want to use the Mermaid, wow, this is really cool. We want to use the Mermaid Dust as like a pearlescent effect on top. See this? This is actually a gorgeous pearl. So we want to keep this on the lighter side. Now I notice we don't have a scale here, but Gabe was nice enough to bring a spoon. So are you thinking just, this isn't our traditional measuring method, just a spoonful?
Spoonful.
A level spoonful or a heaping spoonful?
Probably a good one just because we're gonna cut it.
Good heaping?
Yeah.
Like something like that?
Yeah.
How many grams do you think that is?
That's probably about 10 grams or so.
Okay, so we're gonna cut it like usual. So we're gonna end up around the 5 gram per gallon mark.
That's what it looks like. Maybe just under 10 grams there.
Let's blend this up, see what we get. Pearl in powder form doesn't always match pearl in liquid form, which then doesn't always match pearl over a base. So I would say that this probably doesn't exactly match anything that we have. It's a little on the Bora Bora side, maybe, but it's very blue. I think a lot more blue than Bora Bora and a lot less gold. So let's check the old stick of truth here. Okay, yeah, that's not a lot of pearl, which I think is a good thing. Okay, so here's Mermaid Dust over black. This is a very low pigment load, so it's gonna look pretty dark. All right, any expectations here?
Not really.
Yeah, I'm gonna close this back up. We'll add more if we need to, but light pigment load of Mermaid Dust over Delta Force Green. I'm pumped, you pumped?
Oh yeah.
We're all pumped, let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, we didn't know exactly what to expect from this mermaid dust, but it did not disappoint. I can't wait for you guys to see it. We're gonna take the car outside right now. You know what to do. Take a good look at the color, leave a comment below, and rate this one for me, 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you don't. Now, we wanna thank Larry, of course, for sending in this pigment. If you wanna change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and they're all do-it-yourself friendly. And at the very end of the video, we'll show you this mermaid dust over a bunch of different base coats as well. Let me know which one you think looks the best. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on this one. Hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next video.